What's up, Cassie?
This is wrong. Help me. This is abuse. I swear to God.
King Kong!
Get off me! Ew. That really hurts me.
You look like a coat head. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I killed it.
Get off me!
Why?
'Cause. Ow. Is it still rolling?
Hope so.
Oh my God, stop. No, you're gonna make me scream and I'm gonna get in trouble. Stop. What?
You're on my freaking sore foot.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are we gonna hop in the shower? That came to mind.
Are we? I don't know.
Not both of us.
Okay.
But are we gonna take showers?
It's videotaping freaking the ceiling.
Hi! 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 I'm a birdie! I can fly! You're on my clean clothes! You asswipe!
Not dirty. Dirty minded, but I'm not dirty. Shut my bitch up!
That's Andrew's job. That was gross.
I know. That was gross. Okay, say welcome back. It's now a very nice tan.
No, it's still red.
What?
Just a little bit. What?
I love you. Ah! Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Let's see how mine is.
It's still pink.
Still pink. It's getting there.
Wait. It only looks red in this light. It's actually brown.
No, it's red.
No, come out here.
No, it's red.
Come out here where there's some real light. God. Natural light.
Well, aren't you just a pleasant little penis?
I'm not little when it comes to that. Mine's about 20 miles long.
And about 3 inches thick.
Oh God.
Drop his button cold. That was gross.
Ow! Back!
I need you. Don't do that.
Ew. What the hell? Uh-huh.
No! Stop!
You bet it on yourself, honey. You owe me. Just saying. You need to ask first. That wasn't cool, Cash. I wanted to save this.
Get off of me.
Excuse me?
Get the fuck off me!
I feel like I'm gonna barf.
You shouldn't have drinking so much soda.
While I was drinking, you hit my gut, you dumbass. And by the way,
That was a lot.
yeah, I know.
No. No.
Here, I'm gonna pull your thong so far up your ass, your mom's gonna feel it. She's at home. Come here, Katie. I am not wearing a fucking bra. That really hurt. Don't grab my boobs.
Don't even reach for the phone.
Do not grab my boobs.
Then don't reach for the phone.
No. You're sitting on it. No. Ow, my eyeball! I'm gonna bite your feet off. Stop. No. You can't use feet. That really hurts my pinky. I feel like you're about to break my pinky. Ow. Okay, I feel better. Ow! Don't do that! Thank you. Don't pull hair, that's a cheat.
I don't fully hair, I'm pushing your head.
You're fucked now, aren't you?
Your hands still hurt free.
Ow! No! I said don't grab my boobs. What do? You grab my boobs.
Can you guys get off of each other, please? I can't even hear. Sandra?
Ow! Oh! Ow! Okay, are we even?
Stay away from my thumb.
Oh. Are we even?
Yeah.
My right nipple hurts.
Good.
And my left.
Good.
You still on me. Is that yours? Yes, that's yours. It's on my back. Ow.
I won.
No, you didn't.
Really?
You fell on the floor.
You didn't get my thumb, did you?
So?
Ha! You can't get it.
Yes, I can. I'll get you back later. I will get your sorry ass back later.
You need to hang up your clothes.
No shit.
That wasn't cool, Cassie. I was trying to save half of that, and then you guzzled like a whole shitload of it.
There's a fucking soda. There's more out in the garage.
Sam?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Ow, you have to pinch my fucking nipple.
I just didn't want
Hi.
Hi.
I'll throw a fucking book at your face.
You're the one that pulled my thing.
I don't give a rat's ass. You shoved it halfway up my ass.
Well, that's because you did the same. So
I
weren't.
don't care.
You weren't? We should have
Honey,
been
I
eating
gotta
better.
go. I'll see you whenever you get here. Bye. What's the problem?
She needs to stop pulling my thong up my butt.
You need to stop grabbing my nipples then. Especially whenever I'm not
No,
wearing a bra.
that
That
was-
fucking hurts.
I only did that because you got my thong, and that's getting annoying. I'm only
I
getting
did that
you.
once.
Okay, you leave her thong alone. Freak.
She
And
pinched
you
my
leave
nipple
her nipples
first.
alone.
Yes, ma'am.
There you go.
I'm mad. We're just playing around. She's been on grumpy butt because over a fucking soda.
No.
It's over a soda.
No, it's over my underwear.
It's over a fucking soda, you know it.
It's over my underwear.
Soda.
Now my butt hurts.
My ass hurts too, you know. I'm wearing an actual G-string. You're wearing a thong.
Well,
There's a
that's not
difference.
my fault.
Yeah, thongs are much wider than G-strings.
Yeah, you think? Hello. I know that.
This is so dumb.
And then, I know, right? And then you like picked me up and I was drinking the soda and you were like, and I was like, are we still recording? I think we
I'm
are.
out.